Hi, welcome to the McGuffey Readers Online Tutor. Today's lesson is from the McGuffey's first Eclectic Reader, the revised edition, and we are on Lesson 35, the white kitten. The white kitten. Let's start by looking at the words for this lesson. I hope you read along with me. Finished, bonnet, lesson, saved, white, away, I've, am, work, scamper, ready, garden. Notice that we have several two-syllable words today. Let's review those words. Finished, bonnet, lesson, away, scamper, ready, garden. Did you notice the accent marks? Let's read the words one more time, emphasizing the syllable where the accent mark is placed in each word. Here we go. Finished, bonnet, lesson, away, scamper, ready, garden. We also have a contraction today, I've. A contraction is a shortcut of I have. So you take the HA out of have and move the two words together until you have one word, and then put an apostrophe where the HA used to be. Let's look at that one more time. We have the words I have, and we want to make a contraction. So we take HA out of I have and move the two words close together to make one word and add an apostrophe where the HA used to be. That's a contraction. We're going to read a poem today, a 4-line verse, ABCB. The poem's going to have two 4-line verses, ABCB. What does ABCB mean? Well, it means that the B and B, the second and fourth lines in the verse, will rhyme. The second and fourth lines in the verse will rhyme. You'll notice we still use punctuation when we write a poem. You'll see the full stop, the comma, and even a question mark in this poem. Let's look at that A, B, C, B again. 4 lines in a verse. One is labeled A, the second is labeled B, the third is labeled C, and the fourth is labeled B again, because the second and fourth lines rhyme. Let's listen and see if you can hear it. The white kitten. Kitty, my pretty white kitty, why do you scamper away? I finished my work and my lesson, and now I am ready for play. That was the first verse. 4 lines. Let's look at it. And let's read it one more time. And notice that the second and the fourth lines rhyme. Kitty, my pretty white kitty, why do you scamper away? I finished my work and my lesson, and now I am ready for play. Let's look at the second 4-line verse. Let's listen. Come, kitty, my own little kitty, I've saved you some milk, come and see. Now drink while I put on my bonnet and play in the garden with me. Did you hear the 2 words that rhyme? Let's look at it and read it again, and maybe you'll see them. Come, kitty, my own little kitty, I've saved you some milk, come and see. Now drink while I put on my bonnet and play in the garden with me. Let's look at the first 4-line verse again and see if you saw the rhyming words. The first line labeled A, kitty, my pretty white kitty. The second line, B, why do you scamper away? C, I finished my work and my lesson. And then B again, and now I am ready for play. Do you see how away and play rhyme? It's the same in the second 4-line verse. Let's look at that closer. A, come kitty, my own little kitty. B, I've saved you some milk, come and see. C, now drink while I put on my bonnet. B again, and play in the garden with me. So B and B, the last word rhymes, C and me. Now let's read it just for enjoyment, and we'll read it in scroll fashion. Are you ready? Here we go. Kitty, my pretty white kitty, why do you scamper away? I've finished my work and my lesson, and now I am ready for play. Come, kitty, my own little kitty. I've saved you some milk, come and see. Now drink while I put on my bonnet and play in the garden with me. Well, that's our lesson for today, and I hope that you go to the McGuffeyReaders.blogspot.com for more lessons and worksheets. And I hope you visit me again. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.